Hey guys, Lloyd here from Tech Rookies, and today I'm going to teach you 3 easy and simple Premiere Pro transitions which will make your video look professional and cool. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first transition is called lens distortion. This is a simple effect that can be used in music videos. From the project panel, go to the new item icon and create an adjustment layer. Place it above the cut of your 2 clips. Make it 10 frames long on each side of the cut. Then head over to the effects panel and look for the lens distortion effect. Apply it to the adjustment layer, and from the effects control panel, set a keyframe on the curvature property at the beginning, then in the middle, and make it 100, and at the end make it back to 0. You need to go to the effects panel, look for the invert effect, and apply it to the adjustment layer as well now. And animate the blending from 100 to 0 in the middle, and then back to 100. Don't forget to ease the keyframes now to further improve it. This will give you awesome transition. Next, the whip pan transition. I just added 2 clips in my timeline that I'd like to add my transition between. Let's begin by right clicking inside the project panel and going to new item adjustment layer. Then position your adjustment layer directly above and in the middle of the cut. Then go over to the effects panel and type push in the search box. Drag the push effect between your 2 clips, then select the transition and change the duration to match your adjustment layer. So I'm just going to reduce the length of the push effect. Now to add a blur, go back down to the effects panel and type directional blur into the search box. Drag that effect under your adjustment layer, then effects control, change the direction to 90 degrees and increase the blur to 100. Okay, and now when I play this back, I have a nice looking whip pan transition. Hey guys, if you want to access some more awesome transitions, like for instance, burning paper transition, broken glass transition, lens transition, glitch transition, and so much more, then go over to savageeffects.com. You can have access to amazing video effects, video transitions, and video LUTs. This can help you with your video editing game as it is much easier and faster to use. For example, if you want to use a light leak transition, then you have to select the light leak effect in your folder and drag and drop it on your projects panel. And from there, select a transition you like and drag and drop it on your timeline where you want the transition to happen. And simply delete the demo video and it's done. See, it's that easy. If you want to purchase any of the product on their website, then you can get a 10% discount if you use a promo code which is TECHR10, TECHR10. I'll leave a link to the website in the description below so you can go ahead and check it out. Now let's go ahead to our third transition, the glitch transition. I'm going to create a new adjustment layer and place that over a cut between 2 shots in my timeline. From your effects library, head over to the immersive video folder in which we can find the VR chromatic aberrations effect. Drag that to the adjustment layer. This effect splits the red, green and blue channels, already giving you that RGB split effect. I'm going to start by setting my red, green and blue channel to 0 to hide the effect. Create a keyframe for all 3 in the beginning, move a little bit further in time and change the value randomly. Then go again a little bit further and change the values again. And finally, bring the RGB's value back to 0 on the final end. Then turn off the auto VR properties from the frame layout, select stereoscopic over under to get rid of the blob distortion. Finally, animate the invert and change it frame per frame. This will add a sort of shake to it. If the RGB split is not popping out enough, change the blending mode to linear dodge and you've got yourself a sweet RGB split transition. So that's it for today. If you want such more Premiere Pro tutorial videos, let us know in the comments down below and we'll definitely try to make some more. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated whenever we upload some new content like this.